give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
What's up, my Barbies and Kids? It's your girl Canada, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, you're in for a treat today. So you guys know that I usually don't post on Sundays. This video is actually getting recorded today, which is Friday, but I did want to do a little look for you guys. So in case y'all were not knowing what type of look y'all want to do for Valentine's Day, I got y'all. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not an MUA, but I do my own makeup and it comes out pretty good. So yeah, and I did have a lot of reviews, well not reviews, but a lot of good feedback on my first dolled up video, which was the pink cut crease or whatever. Y'all haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. But we're gonna get into this look for Valentine's Day, so y'all have a look for Valentine's Day. But before we get into that, make sure that you guys thumbs up this video, smash it, press it, whatever you gotta do. Make sure that you like this video so that you can help the algorithm of my channel and other people will discover me and discover my videos, and I might have something on my channel that they're probably looking for. So make sure you thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm a new YouTuber, so this will really help the algorithm of my channel. Make sure you comment. You guys can comment what city you're from and drop some hearts in the comments because it's a Valentine's Day look. Subscribe if you are new here so you become a Barbie or a Ken. You're gonna love it over here. Videos every other Tuesday or Friday. I do have a lot of good videos coming for you guys this year, so if you're new, subscribe to become a Barbie or Ken. You're gonna love it over here. We lit. So yeah, and if you do subscribe, well, when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos with your girl in the future. Now that we got all of that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and get into this look. Everything that I used in this video today, I will be leaving it in the description box below. We're gonna get into this look. We're gonna get into this Valentine's Day slay, and yeah, let's go. Alright, first off, let me just say that my skin is buzzing and giving what it's supposed to give. I did just drop my skin routine not too long ago, so if you'd like to know how I achieve such beautiful, flawless skin, go ahead and tune into that video, but after you finish this one. Now back to this look. I am using my Perfect Eye Pencil from Poppy and Ivy Beauty to fill in my eyebrows and shape them. This just works so much better for me than any eyebrow pomade or pencil. It's smooth and glides right on. I'm now grabbing my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade GC 937 Creamy Beige. I use this to carve the bottom of my eyebrows. I also apply it to my lids as the base for my eyeshadow. After applying, I let it sit for at least 2 minutes at the most and then start to blend it. I then set my concealer with my brighter shade from my Medium Vibes Morphe Face Palette. Using the same Morphe palette, I'm dipping into the first bronzer shade next to the brightener and using it as my first eyeshadow color. I apply it all in the crease area of my eye. grabbing my fluffy brush and blending it out. Now reaching for my Morphe and James Charles palette, today I'll be using shade Skip and applying it in the middle of my eyelid and blend it into that nice bronzer brown shade. Going back in with that bronzer shade and blending the outside areas of my lid. Now, I won't be leaving a link to this because it is children's paint, y'all. However, I knew that I'd be able to do it because I have pretty steady hands. I recommend you guys look for eyeliner paints and products that are meant to be around the eyes. Unfortunately, I had to improvise, but the heart still came out pretty cute. Now, I will say I'm not the best at doing wing liners. I have lots of practicing to do. These liners did not come out perfect at all, but they were okay. I couldn't redo them because I had somewhere to be after recording this video, so I just tried my best the first go around. But if you're any good at doing wing liners, please drop some tips down below. I would truly appreciate it. Onto the face, I'm priming my skin with the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum and patting that into my skin. I also take Baby Skin by Maybelline New York and rub it over my face. Now using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Skin Corrector in shade GC 990 Orange Corrector and apply it under my eyes and the corners of my mouth, and after that I go ahead and blend it in. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth in shades 315 and 240. I pour a little bit of both and mix it on the back of my hand, then go in with my beauty blender and apply it and blend it. Next, I take my setting powder from Shein. Yes, Shein. Now, before anyone tries to come for me, this is literally the best skin matching setting powder I've tried. Very light and it matches my skin perfectly. I love it. Sorry, not sorry. It's time to contour. Using the contour shade, the only contour shade in this palette, I'm going to contour. Duh. When I contour, I just follow my natural contour lines and then curve it and bring it upwards. I saw this somewhere online that this contour trick works best for round or chunky faces, and I like it. Same palette, I'm using the brightener shades to brighten the highlight areas of my face. I then go in with my bronzer shade to bring in some warmth. Same palette, I'm using the first blush shade under the brightener. I then set it all in place using my Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. Now using my Eos Lip Balm for some moisture. After that, I went in and lined my lips with brown, pink, and white liner, blotted them together just a little bit, and finished them off with the gloss. I'm not sure what brand of mascara that is that I'm using. My mom gave it to me like literally 2 years ago, but I apply it to my bottom lashes only. Onto the lashes. I purchased these lashes from Billion Dollar Ink. It is my sister's accessory business, so go ahead and go check her out on Instagram. She has some really nice lashes, and I'm sure she will be like restocking really soon. So go ahead and check her out. But yeah, they were so cute, but they were a little too long for this look. It basically covered our whole eyeshadow design, so I did put them back in their case and switched them out for my old Amazon Lash Book lashes. Alright, you guys, so this is basically the finished look. I am happy with it. What is this on my face? What the hell? Must have came out of my spray bottle. But like I was saying, I'm so happy with this look. It came out cute, really cute, really something cute but simple for Valentine's Day. But y'all already know me. I'm gonna go ahead, just put something on or whatever to, you know, finish up the look. I gotta finish up my hair, and yeah, I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and put these little hearts in my hair because, you know, Valentine's Day, duh. But yeah, so this is the look. I swear, y'all, every time it's always one lash. Like, So I'm gonna start just getting my lashes done because it's always just one lash. And I put on this shirt because, you know, color scheme or whatever. This lash is getting on my last nerve. And all of this dust, I swear it don't matter what video I do, I could literally spring clean my room and it's still gonna be little particles floating in the air. But this is the end of this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little look or whatever, this Valentine's Day look. Make sure that you thumbs up this video. Like I said in the beginning, I am a new YouTuber, so it really helped my channel and my algorithm. And y'all, in a few seconds, I'm just gonna finish this outro with one eyelash on. But like I said, hit that thumbs up to help the algorithm of my channel so more people can discover my channel, and I might have some videos for them and they didn't even know exist because y'all didn't thumbs up this video. Make sure that you guys comment what time you're watching this, and drop some hearts in the comment section below because, again, Valentine's Day. And if you're new, do not leave without subscribing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a Barbie or Ken. You gon' love it over here. We lit again. Every other Tuesdays or Fridays is when I drop my videos, just so you guys know. And I will see you in my next video.